Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can make a full-fledged e-commerce store with the products inside. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to do that. So quickly show you the website. That's the website we're gonna use. I'm gonna copy that. I'm going to Google Chrome. Not this one. This one. I'm gonna paste it in the Google. Okay. Hit enter. So that's where it's landed me. Buildyourstore.ai is the website name. So build my free store. Click on this one. When I do that, it's open up a new tab. Okay, enter your email. So here you have to create your account. Okay, so create your account with your own name and then enter email. Okay, sign up. So when you click on sign up, here you have to pick a niche which gonna help you, or which the AI gonna help you, which gonna help the AI to build the store basically. So I'm going to be going with fashion. Okay, click done. One step down. So we have to choose the banners for the home page. So here you have to select, I think this one, I like this one, and this one, and this one. You can only select two. Click done. So create your Shopify account. You can create a Shopify account, access your Shopify, click done button and build your professional Shopify store, access Shopify. Here you have to like your start business, enter email, the same email you entered there. So here you can enter your card details, only pay €1. The good thing is this €1 is for next 3 months, which is really good offer. By that time you can set up your store fully. Okay, I'm gonna skip that in the meantime. Here we have to select what would you like to sell, an online store. Next step, it's a new business or existence. You can select according to your need. Product I buy or myself, yes. Store name, you can do this later on. I'll do this later on just to show you very quickly that how you can make using AI without doing anything. So there you go. So basically it says once you completed all this step, you have to come back and click done from here. We're doing that. Click done. And now link your Shopify store, copy your Shopify store admin URL as shown in the image below. Okay, we have to come here. We're gonna copy this admin URL and we have to paste it here. Save. Okay, click done. Now grab your Shopify discount, click the Access Shopify Plan button at the top of the button of this page, confirm basic plan, and then so basically you have to subscribe that Access Shopify. You can click on this, it will take you straight to that page where you have to pay €1. Okay, I'm gonna pay now. Okay, once that step passed, you have to register your business address. Okay, once that's done, now you have to go back. So it's like conditions you have to follow. So go back, click done, because you subscribed that plan, and now install build your store app. Install app in your store. So when you do that, it will bring you to the page. Click install AI store builder. So once that's done, you pick your store type, free or beginner. So I'm gonna go with free, which is really good if you're a new starter. So continue with the basic store. Get back to iShore. Yes. Yes, skip, I'll do my work. Okay, make your store unique, customize my store. Now it's basically building the store. So click the register to AutoDS, enter your name. So AutoDS is like a drop shipping platform you can use. Register to AutoDS, or okay, we'll do that as well. Okay, once the process has been completed, you have to come back and click done. Okay, so your Shopify store is live, all set. Access your store using the button below. So all set, it's all done. As you can see, the time frame didn't take that much long. So boom, look at this store. It's really cool. Okay. So you can see with the product inside and price, it's all set to go, and it's that easy. You can see the products. If I click on any product, you can see all the inventory is there. It's so good. Look at that. It's all because I selected the fashion one. It's so good. And when you click back, home, shop all. So all the products with the fashion in there. And when you click on this one, for example, you want to check. So it's all the payment method as well, all set with the PayPal, add to cart. And when we go to the cart, checkout, so you can see it's everything as it's supposed to be, and you don't need to do anything. All you need to do, enter your store name, and that's it. I cannot believe this is that simple. So again, if you want to add more products in there, you can always access your store here. If you refresh this page here, you will see the products here. All the products are active. Inventory is not tracked. So again, you can fix all this stuff. This is not a big deal, but the process save you so much time of building from start to end. So you can click on online store here, and okay, right now it's password protected via store. Look at that, it's all updated now. So because we chose that theme in the beginning, so it's saved with that. I cannot believe this is like a proper professional store. When you click on catalog, it also chosen the logo for you, the contact detail, and the top one is really professional. This season bestseller. When you click on this, okay, home page, right, and choose options. Okay, you have options here. You can select white, pink, add to cart, or you have Apple Pay option, checkout. It's really professional way to do that, and I think this is the best way to do that. And show more. I'm just checking because I'm just really loving it. You can see the rating here, reviews here, which is such a legit store. This is really professional. Look at this client's reviews, their feedback. My favorite, new favorite brand, perfect in every way. Tina M. So you don't have to do these stuff manually, because if you build from scratch on a Shopify store, you have to do all this stuff. Look at this, the page not found, but you can all fix this. So I'm sure you have an idea how you can do that. You can also connect your domain. Again, just to let you know very quickly, you can also again change the theme if you like. You can change the theme, design your store in a second. You can try themes, different one you like, because it was showing that all these three ones are free. You can generate themes if you like, and all these stuff is for free. How cool is that? Here as well, popular free themes made with the core feature. You can easily customize, no coding needed. This one as well, you can have a look which one suits you according to your brand or your vision, how you're thinking to do. You can go for it. So I'm sure you like this video and this video is helpful to you. If you're planning to start a business and you don't know how to build a store, this is the best way to build your store in a couple of minutes, I would say, and then you can play around. I think if you still give 1 hour properly, you can set up a full store, a full-fledged running store, which can start making money. All you have to do is just run the campaigns and just collect the money. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.